So, Dr. Jim, the heat is here for now, but there may finally be some changes on the horizon. We like that.
Yes, that's exactly right. But I wanted to give you a little more perspective about just how bad this heat's been for some of us. Take a look at Pearland here. Now, last night I showed you what was going on in the Intercontinental area up around Bush, but for Pearland, in the last 75 days, they've only had 2 days of measurable rain. And that's since April 1st. And a lot of you, I know, you can deal with that because you understand that because we've all been under those kinds of conditions. Well, the Storm Prediction Center, the Climate Prediction Center, just issued their 8 to 14-day forecast. In other words, a week from now, and I've got it highlighted there, they have a good part of our area under above normal rainfall. Above normal rainfall, is that possible? Could we see that kind of a change in our forecast in about a week? I will tell you why that is a possibility coming up in the Fox 5 forecast in just a few minutes.
And Dr. Jim joins us now with the forecast. Wish we could tell you he's going to tell us something new. Well, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't. There's some possibilities down the line.
You're just taking all the fun out of it,
sorry,
Melinda.
Jim.
I mean, what is that? No, you're right. For right now, not much is going to change. It's a little breezy out there this evening, and that's typically when you have winds, that means something's changing in the forecast. Except in this case, it's not really changing. What's happening is there's a big storm well to the north of us, up in the plains. It's not coming down here, and yet again, our winds are feeding up into that storm system. It's not overall windy, it's just a little breezy out there, and you can see our camera kind of shaking just a little bit, but at least the sun's down, the temperatures are beginning to cool a little bit, but boy, it was another day into the 90s, and it took until after 8 o'clock at night to have the temperatures go below that 90-degree mark. Well, officially at the airport, another record-breaker day, 100 degrees, 99, the old record, and 2008. And then again, no rain. I mean, we should be close to 22 inches of rain so far this year, and we've only had 7. 7. That's not good at all, but there are some changes on the horizon. The Climate Prediction Center just issued their forecast for the coming months, and the 8 to 14-day forecast. So a week from now, look what happens right here. That's the area there where you see the green. That's above normal rainfall. A week from now. Now, it's not all of our viewing area. A lot of it's going to be maybe a little more to the east of us, but even just normal rainfall would be something to talk about. And also, the temperatures are expected to drop a little bit. Now, not for most of Texas, but look at right along the Gulf Coast here. Normal temperatures. Normal temperatures for us would be about 90 degrees, which would be 10 degrees cooler than what we've been having. What's going on that could change our weather to get back to normal? Well, it all goes back to the tropics. Now, there's nothing going on right now. In fact, we got high pressure that we're going to be dealing with. So it's still going to be hot. It's going to be dry, even though it's going to be humid for the next several days. We're talking about a week from now when we'll start to see those changes. So we go down into the Caribbean, also into the Atlantic. A little bit of a tropical wave here. You see a little bit of moisture there. What's happening, though, is a tropical wave's beginning to form, and it's going to surge across the Caribbean, and as it does, it's going to get that deep tropical moisture, and about a week from now, we'll get close to the Yucatan Peninsula and spill over into the Gulf of Mexico. What does that mean for us? Probably not a tropical storm, at least right now, but it means that more tropical moisture will be nudged in our direction, and as soon as that happens, our chances for rain will be going up, and that's about a week from now. But for now, we're just watching the showers and storms to the north of us, to the east of us, and that's not going to change anytime soon, again, because of high pressure. So we're talking about a week from now when we'll begin to see those changes, or at least hopefully see those changes. 76 a low temperature tonight, less than 10% chance for any kind of rain tonight or tomorrow or the day after that for that matter too. South winds 5 to 15. So tomorrow, a beautiful day, lots of sunshine, great pool weather, a little breezier though, south winds 5 to 15, maybe even gusting up to 20 miles per hour. And yeah, we'll be close to 100 degrees again. And looking towards the weekend, still about triple-digit weather for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then notice on Tuesday and Wednesday, a 20% chance for some showers. So again, not rain being likely, but we'll begin to see possibly some change by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.